I'm gonna show you how to put slime on your hair. Let's do it. See, first you gotta spread it like this, or you can just bump it, but I like to spread it first. You can do it any way you want. Just make sure it's slime, not anything else. You see like a little thing, but now you don't. Let's do this. And once it's SpongeBob, guys, I'll let you see SpongeBob. Hang on. There's SpongeBob, Squidward. SpongeBob's right there, the pineapple. Squidward is a rock. I mean, the madhouse. Patrick is that. Oh, there's SpongeBob. There's SpongeBob. It's kind of cool. Oh, it's gonna pull this off. I think it doesn't want to come on. Alright, let's see Squidward. It's awesome. Um, 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 tell me if there's any hair in my slime, or if there's any hair in my slime. Tell me if there is hair in my slime or ain't hair in my slime, because I think there aren't slime right here. I think there's no slime in my hair. Just comment down below. I think there is. Bye guys.